Hello everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I want to show you how you can easily rename ECOVACS DEEBOT OZMO N8. So first, open the ECOVACS Home application on your smartphone and now click on the robot. In here click three dots. Now go to additional settings and click on rename your robot. And in here you can enter a maximum of 16 characters, so make every character count. Now click save after you provided the name, and as you guys can see, the name is now changed. Thank you guys for watching, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.